Hello everyone, we're here at my desk with a Hot Wheels 20 pack and just a pile of cars down here. Pretty much we're just gonna unbox this and then I'll tell you what we'll probably do with all these cars. Unfortunately I forgot my tripod, so we're just working with handheld, and I built this little thing out of a Lego something. Here, I'll set the camera on it. It's just kind of, I'm not sure, whatever, it'll do for something. But yeah, let's open this up. Alright, I set the Lego tripod up on a box here, and we're just gonna open this thing up. Got a switchblade here, pretty cool. Alright, let's start. Unfortunately, these packages are really hard to open, which is kind of annoying. I'm not sure how kids get into these, but whatever. We'll figure it out. Alright. Alright, if there's a weird camera angle. Alright, here we are. Let's pull these out. I just grabbed the case that I thought had the better selection of cars. Oh, I got it upside down. Figures. But I just grabbed the case with, I thought, the best selection of cars that I saw there, so we don't have all of the cool ones, but we'll make do with what we have. Alright, set the box on the ground. Here we are. So, right off the bat, I love this. This is just amazing. I love this car. This casting is just great. Just custom Volkswagen Beetle. That it is. Split window from the early 50s, late 40s, I'm pretty sure. These cool exhaust pipes. That's just my favorite. But alright, so here we got one of these gold tire ones. I'm not sure what these are called, but they have a metal base, so it's pretty heavy duty. Plastic body, unfortunately. Those wheels are pretty wild though. Here we have, what is this? Project Speedster. Like the whole front end just been stripped right off. It's pretty cool. We might do something with that. This one got soccer all over it, but the BD-D12. Pretty interesting. Not sure we'll do anything with that though. Green wheels, green windshield. This one's the Gazelle GT. Pretty crazy. Not my taste. Here, I already have one of these, but this is really cool. Volkswagen SP2. I don't know if it's a concept car or something. I never heard of it before this casting came out, but that's really cool. Got a Porsche here. What is it? Cayman S. That's pretty cool. The gray wheels, blue paint is just beautiful. Datsun here. Well, Nissan Fairlady Z. Whatever, same thing. That's really cool. I have a red one, but this blue just looks amazing. Dodge Viper here. That's got a really cool stripes on it. Alright. This one I'm really looking forward to. It's kind of a Basasako style car. It's called the Track Manga. It reminds me of a Datsun or a Opel or something weird. But that's really cool. I like that. Here we have the Hudson Hornet. Really shiny base. Yeah, it just says Hudson Hornet. That's really cool. I like this paint job a lot. Here we've got Camaro. Drag kit style. Coco Camaro. Yeah, I figured. Real thin wheels in the front. Those are really cool. I've never seen those wheels that thin before. Here we have a nice Nova. Chevelle, sorry. Just those stickers on it. It's great. It looks really good. All that. Corvette here. Not a fan of the purple, but looks good. Stingray. Always nice. Some type of off-road creation here. Dunosaur. Interesting. I'm not too into the fantasy cars, but some of them I like. This is really cool. I'm not sure what it is. Fast Felon, another fantasy car, but just has a good look to it. Not sure. What about that? Here we have that bug again. We'll just skip that. Here we have, I think, another fantasy car. Yeah, Torque Twister. It's really wild paint scheme. Not a fan. Another Viper. Really cool paint job. Yeah, this is a GTSR. I almost said GTRS. Or GTRS. I don't know. Whatever. This paint job is just amazing. SRT. Alright. Moving on. Another fantasy car. Cool wheels though. Wild metal base. Not sure what this one is. Plastic body. And then here, this is another really cool one that I'm looking forward to. This one's a Nova. Yeah, I get those confused sometimes. But this paint scheme on this just looks great. Nice casting. Alright, that's the 20 pack. I do have some pen on my hand. Sorry about that. I messed up writing something, so I just messed around with it. Here we have a Jeep Matchbox 89 Grand Wagoneer. That's really cool. Looking forward to customizing that. Here we have a battery low life. 95 RX-7. That's a really cool tuner car. Those nice taillights. Not sure what we'll do with this, but that's really cool. Here we have a Hot Wheels Land Rover Series 3 pickup. That's cool. Spare tire in the back there, winch on the front. Hard to get the camera right. Sorry about that. Next up, we have a Nissan 300 ZX Twin Turbo. It's really cool. Not a fan of this black line here in the front, but we could remedy that. Next, we have the 88 Honda Civic CRX. Yeah. Nice tampos on the taillights. This is really cool. I'm looking forward to this one. Here we have a Porsche Panamera. This we probably won't do a custom on. Those wheels are really good looking, so we might put those on something else. But this is a really nice casting from Matchbox. Next up, we have a Nissan Skyline GTR. That'll go with the other GTRs we've done. I have a little place for them in my shelf, but that's really cool. Here we have a 1990 Honda Civic EF with the G-Ready stickers on it. Nice taillights. This I'm really looking forward to. That's another one. That and the CRX. And here we have a 50th anniversary Datsun Bluebird 510 wagon with those nice thin tires, stretched tires, whatever. Classic 4-spoke rims. That one's just really cool. We probably will put those wheels on something else, and we might do a custom with this also. So yeah, that's all I got for today. But I have this I got off of eBay, Volkswagen Sennegun. Oh, that's pretty cool. And then we have this Real Riders Woody with the moving suspension. You change the ride height, and that's pretty cool. But yeah, I think that's all we got, so we'll catch you next time.